Hi friend, this is Jugani and you are watching the Jugani Talks. As I have explained you earlier in the morning video regarding to the importance of the portfolio, and I have also explained you that a portfolio is the very important thing in our life, because if we are earning and if we are saving, after that the inflation is daily depreciating your money, then five, you will not take a suitable step to grow your money. You have listened one quotation earlier that if your money is not working for you, you will be poorer because the inflation will eat your money daily by daily like a dimak. Okay, I hope that you have understand. Firstly, before proceeding ahead, we have to see today's market report, because today's market report, as you seen that market was today so volatile, and after that, because since last 10 days market is making daily high, and today the Nifty 50 83.5 points gone up and changed 0.33%. Sensex 231.0.28% and Nifty Bank 198.0.39% and Nifty IT 196.0.46%. And today, since last 2 days, small cap and mid cap perform very well, and buy and sell, we have to see also buy and sell. Today if we are looking at 5318 crore buys by the FIIs and 3190 crore sell by DIIs. Okay friends, as I have explained earlier that if FIIs will come, then DIIs will makes their profit, book their profit. Yes, definitely. Profit booking also an important aspect, and I always told everybody that if you have a need of your money in forthcoming 2 or 3 years or 1 year, then definitely you book your profit and keep that money in the safe instruments. Okay, then we are coming on our discussing point. As I have promised you that I will uh, explain you the importance of the portfolio, I have already explained, but today we are going to what is the importance of the portfolio in life. It is the part 2, and there are three reasons, only the three reasons why the importance of the portfolio in our life, in our investment journey, is most and most important. That is the risk. What is your risk appetite? First one thing is, what is your risk appetite? Nobody have the similar things. There are 5 fingers and different size and shape. If they will come together, they will make a mukka, and after that they will become a more and more powerful to give a strong punch to anybody. Okay? That is called a example of unity. Then the risk appetite. Risk appetite. What is the risk appetite? Yeah, I am, you are, he is. Then everybody has a different risk capacity. Everybody has a different risk capacity. But in the investment language, there is certain things we have to follow. If you take more risk, you will take more reward. If you will take more risk, you will gain more reward. If you will take less risk, you will gain less reward. This is a universal phenomenon. जितना आप रिस्क ले रहे हो उतना ही आपको गेन मिलेगा. सीधी सी और सिंपल सी बात है. सिंपल, in the simple language, in the simple bhasha. Second one thing is age. Everybody, age is matter in everybody life. Here you can remember that if a person today born, after that 10 years he will a 10 years guide and 5th class student. After the 20 year, he has added his graduation and seeking for a job. After the 30 year, he has gone his married life or going in married life. After that, next 10 year, he became the father of two childs and having a lot of scopes, and it is a time to wearing a eye goggles, because after that 40 years a person become the more and more mature, but his blood flow, जिसको बोलते हैं ना कि उसके ब्लड का जो बोलते हैं ना जवानी का जोश, वो जा चुका होता है, एंड ही इज गोइंग टू थिंक अबाउट हिज फ्यूचर, about his past, about his learning, about his, and his hairs are also going something fight in the age of the 40. कुछ चांदी उसके बालों पर आ रही होगी. Okay, and above 50, above 60, above 70, but till the 70, I give an example that yes, he is younger and mature. 60, less younger, less mature. And in the Yadavas, I want here to quote a explanation of Lalu Yadav. He has says in the Sansad. Actually, on that time, nobody can imagine that. Beyond the Lalu Yadav, beyond the some Congress leader, beyond the some BJP leaders, the parliament is complete. Nobody can imagine that. I always remember the quotation of the Lalu Yadav. One young woman asked with him, Laluji, you are crossed your age of the 60, and can we imagine that you will take a decision, mature decision? Lalu Yadav says, ma'am, in my Yadav community, it is always called that Satha so Patha. So I am coming in that age that I will enjoy my life. So that quotation make me, yes, till the 60, I will continue to myself, yes, struggle. Everybody says that I am early retirement. What is early retirement? What is early retirement? Are you going to quit your job? No. Are you going to sit in your home? Are you going to close in a cage to yourself? No. Only the thing, the financial freedom is the actual freedom. Financial freedom is the actual freedom. Yes, I have got that. In my age of the 45, 5 years later than the others. Yes, I am happy, quite happy. But I will work till the 60, and I will work till I can work. My body allow me to work. Definitely, I will work till my last breath. Yes, definitely I will work. But whatever I will do what I want, what my heart allows to me. जो मुझे सुकून देता है मैं वो काम करूंगा. यस, डेफिनेट. अब पोर्टफोलियो में नेक्स्ट थिंग इज गोल. व्हाट इज योर गोल? एक्चुअली द पोर्टफोलियो डिपेंड्स ओनली अपॉन द थ्री थिंग्स. फर्स्ट वन इज योर रिस्क एपेटाइट, सेकंड वन इज योर एज क्राइटेरिया, and third one is your goal. And after that we are going to discuss about it. And I will tell in the last that why I am making this video in my English language. Yes, definitely. And I am speaking in English after several years. Okay. So I know very well that there should be a fluency problem. But if I make some videos in this language, yes, definitely I can be fluent. Then I want to say, I am talking about the portfolio, then definitely I will talk only about this matter. In the last, I will talk at other place. The portfolio is an important thing. Why? Because the portfolio depends the accumulation your money to fulfill your dream, to fulfill your ambitions. Yes, definitely the portfolio has a very important value, because if you selected a wrong fund in your portfolio, what is the portfolio? First one thing, if you are having a something stocks with you, that is called your portfolio. If you are having some mutual funds in your portfolio, that is also called your with you, that is called your portfolio. Yes, definitely. Only the shares, only the mutual funds. Yes, there are, suppose that there are one basket, there are one basket filled with some shares, filled with some mutual funds. It is your portfolio, it is your portfolio. Portfolio is filled with shares, and that is simple. In the simple words, if I can explain the portfolio, that is the your investment in the equity, that is either the shares, either the mutual funds. Shares allow is you are the masters of your investment in the equity. You can directly purchase or sell. You are master of own. In the mutual fund, you are not the master of these shares. On behalf of you, you have given the right to your fund manager that he will manage your fund on behalf of you. He has a right on behalf of you to buy or sell that funds. Okay, this is the basic difference between the shares portfolio or the mutual fund portfolio. Okay, number one. Number two, I want to tell you, if you have selected some good funds according to your age and risk appetite, that will be more and more beneficial and always give you peace of your mind, because every action in our mind, our life, that should be for our peace of our mind, peace of our heart. If our heart is allowed to do that, if our heart is going in the peace by my action, by my doing that thing, that is the most and most important thing in your life. Okay, number two. Number three, if I have selected the right mutual funds on the right time, in the right age, that will be more and more beneficial to the my hard earning money, whatever I have invested in the market. Because you know that market is so volatile and market is so risky, then you should be take your risk according to your age and according to your risk appetite. I hope you are understanding my points, because I know that a lot of persons in my subscribers or my viewers are the Hindi medium, but आज मेरी कुछ मजबूरी थी कि मुझे इसको इंग्लिश में बनाना पड़ा है. यस, डेफिनेटली आई विल मेक सच वीडियोस इन द future, because somebody has challenged me that you cannot speak in English, you cannot explain in English, you are illiterate, means उसने मेरे को अनपढ़ बोला है. yes definitely है भाई, yes मैं अनपढ़ हूँ, मैं गंवार हूँ, मैं हूँ, no problem. yes definitely I am talking about the portfolio. yes definitely I hope you can understand my feelings, my expressions, my each and everything, because one guy has says that okay, no problem here. And then if you have selected the right mutual fund with your risk appetite and your goal also, I hope you are understanding my point, whatever I want to say. First thing, what is your goal and how much time you are giving? Because time is important in the market, time is not important. Only the time, because if you are giving the time now, the compounding will return you in the reverse more and more. As you know, one story about the chess point. One beggar asked with a king that you give me in the square form of the rice grain, to me the king became Kangal, because he cannot give him. That is the magic of the power of compounding. And if you are saving your money and betting, giving to money grow day by day, week by week, month by month, year by year, definitely within the 10 years, within the 15 years, within the 20 years, if you give the 20 years, a minimum amount will give you huge to huge return. That is my promise, not my promise, that is actually proof. That is actually proof. Then I am talking about the portfolio. Portfolio is one thing that you have make a basket of your investments. And many body says that you should not put your all eggs in the same basket. Then according to your age, you have to go large cap. As you know, large cap are the top 100 companies. Mid cap are the 101 to 150 companies. Small cap are the 251 companies to 4000 companies, which are in the Indian market, are governed by the corporate Zagat of India. Okay, I hope that you have understand that what is the companies and where your fund manager is going to invest your money. If you have opted that large cap fund, it is the SEBI guidelines after 2018 that yes, definitely your 65% money will go in the large cap, because it is in the interest of that investor who has given the mandate that my 65%, my maximum amount, not only the 65%, my maximum amount will go in the large cap, because you are a conservative investors. आप रिस्क ज्यादा नहीं लेना चाहते. You don't want to take a lot of risk. If you have chosen the mid cap, then as per SEBI guidelines, your 65% will go in the mid cap stocks. If you have chosen the small cap, your 65% will go in the small cap funds. Rest will go in the large cap, in the mid cap, in the debt also, or government instruments also, or corporate bond also. That can give a stability to your fund, and that will depend on the fund manager decision, fund manager thought. But there is a khichdi fund that is called the flexi cap fund. That is called the flexi cap fund. In the flexi cap fund, in the flexi cap fund, your fund manager has a right to invest your money where he sees that what is the forthcoming situation in the market. He can make his churning in the large cap, in the mid cap, in the small cap. If you have chosen your portfolio, your mutual funds according to your risk appetite, according to as per your age, as per your goal, yes, definitely you will make a huge to huge return and will be richer to richer, the richest to richest man within your community, because your money is working for you day and night. I want to add a quotation of Mahabharata when the Yaksh asked with Yudhishthir, what is the most Chalaman thing, what is continuously running? Yudhishthir replied that is the interest of महाजन. महाजन का ब्याज जो होता है ना, वो कंटिन्यूअस चलता है. तो आपको you have to become a महाजन, means landlord. You have become a lender. You have given your money to your fund manager, and that team, entire team will work for you. That is called the portfolio management, and it is my aim to explain you half part I have explained in the early morning, half part I have explained now. Okay, then I am coming with the main point. I have making this video in English language, and as you know very well that I have explained earlier that I was a Hindi medium student, and I have a lot of problem in speaking the English, and after some practices I have been able, and I hope I have explained you that I know 3 languages. First one is my mother tongue Hindi. Yes, I know very well. My mother tongue is Hindi because I am Awadhi, and Awadhi language is very sweet language. And second language is my Hindi. That is because working language में इसको बोल सकता हूँ, not a second language. And third language is my Sanskrit, because I cannot speak the Sanskrit, but I can read, I can write. But English I can read, write and speak also. And Hindi, yes, in the fluent. And after some years of the fluency, I have become very fluent in the speaking of the English. But my expression was not so good in the English language. So my friends, my community has told me that yeah, you are quite okay with the expression in the Hindi. So yeah, please explain yourself. You know very well, you can understand, you can read, you can write, you can speak also. Then try to explain yourself in Hindi. So I have become. But one guy, foolish guy, has challenged me that you cannot speak, I bet. So I want to say him only on behalf of you, आप लोगों के बिहाफ ऑफ पे मैं उसको रिप्लाई देना चाहता हूँ। बेटा, तुम्हारे जैसे जो बच्चे होते हैं ना, वो एक्चुअली जब उनको जवानी का जोश चढ़ता है तो अपने बाप को क्या बोलते हैं पता है? बोला यार तुमने मेरे को पैदा नहीं किया है, तुमने तो जिंदगी में मजे लिए थे, तब मैं आ गया, गलती से मैं आ गया, तो तुम गलत आ गए हो, गलत चैनल पे तुमने वीडियो देखा है। यस डेफिनेटली, जो मैं बोलता हूँ वो मैं करता हूँ। यस डेफिनेटली, मेरे पास कैपेसिटी है, अगर मैं 4 वीडियो से 5 वीडियो बना दिया तो डेफिनेटली I will be fluent in the English also, but my expression is not good, I know very well. तो देने यार क्यों मेरे को करते हो, मैं यस डेफिनेट है। और रही बात की यार, मैं स्ट्रीट डॉग हूँ, ठीक है, और हमारे यूपी में बड़ी वो है कि बंदा सुनता रहता है, उसके बाद में जब घूमता है ना, घूम करके बोलता तेरी तो, समझ गए? तो मैं वो स्ट्रीट डॉग हूँ। तुम्हारे जैसे बच्चे न जाने कितने आए, न जाने कितने गए, और जाते रहेंगे, आते रहेंगे। ये मैंने उन लोगों के लिए किया है कि चैनल उन्हीं के लिए है, तुम्हारे जैसे लॉलीपॉप के लिए नहीं है, जो पालतू हैं, जो ये है, वो स्ट्रीट वालों के लिए है। ये अगर तुम्हें अच्छा लगता है तो देखो, नहीं अच्छा लगता है मत देखो यार, किसी के लिए कोई जबरदस्ती थोड़े है बेटा, ठीक है। बहुत कुछ पापड़ बेले हैं हमने, और हमने तो चौक से, स्लेट से, उस पे, आज तो तुम्हें कॉपी मिल जाती है ना, हमने तो चौक से लिखना सीखा है, हमने तो उससे लिखना सीखा है। मामा क्या था, हमारे पिताजी ने उसके बाद में कर दिया है, लेकिन हमने 1 2 3 4 उस पे लिखा है, स्याही गोल करके, नरकट बोलते हैं ना उसकी, वो बना करके। तो तुम वो सब नहीं कर सकते हो, तुम्हारे बस का नहीं है। और हमने उसके बाद में इन चीजों से पैसा बनाना सीखा, तब मैंने मार्केट सीखा है। तुम क्या सिखाओगे मेरे को यार? ये उनके लिए चैनल है जो बहुत ही हार्ड अर्निंग मनी कमाते हैं, और उनका नुकसान नहीं होना चाहिए। ये उनके लिए है जो बेसिक सीखना चाहते हैं, जो फंडामेंटल सीखना चाहते हैं, जो ये चाहते हैं यस मैंने आज के टाइम पर पैसा डाला है तो यस ये मेरे को प्रॉफिट देगा, ये उनके लिए है। तुम्हारे जैसे लल्लुओं के लिए नहीं है, हलुओं के लिए नहीं है। दम है तो आओ देहरादून में, दम है तो आओ लखनऊ में, दम है तो आओ इलाहाबाद में, दम है तो आओ बस्ती में, फिर तुम्हें बताता हूँ कहाँ पर, किस चौगड्डे पर, किस चौराहे पर तुम मेरे से डिस्कस करना चाहते हो, किस लैंग्वेज में करना चाहते हो, यस करो। एंड टुमारो, यस डेफिनेटली टुमारो मैं उसको अपने जो मेरे को जितने भी श्लोक याद है, यस डेफिनेटली, पूरे तो नहीं क्योंकि फिर वीडियोज 1 to 1 हो जाएंगे, ये आप लोगों के लिए हैं। सो वही मैंने लास्ट के मिनट अगले को दिया है बिकॉज वो लास्ट पंक्ति का आदमी है। लास्ट पंक्ति के आदमी को लोग आप लोग समझते हो, तो मैं कम से कम 8 से 10 श्लोक भी आपको संस्कृत के जरूर सुनाऊंगा। और ये तो आप भी समझ सकते हो कि मैं रातों रात उसको लर्न करके आपको सुना नहीं सकता हूँ, ठीक है। तो ऐसे लोगों को जवाब देना बहुत जरूरी है। मैं उसका नाम नहीं लेना चाहता क्योंकि नाम लेकर के मैं अपने चैनल को गंदा नहीं करना चाहता हूँ, बिकॉज ये बहुत ही पॉजिटिव वे में, बहुत ही अच्छी भाषा मतलब सोच के साथ बनाया गया चैनल है। और ये सबका चैनल है, पूरे परिवार का चैनल है। तो आई होप कि पूरे परिवार की तरफ से मैंने अगले को जवाब देने की कोशिश किया है। जैसा भी लगेगा आपको जरूर बताइएगा, ठीक है। चलिए, अगर आपको जानकारी ठीक लगी है, वीडियो थोड़ा लंबा तो हो गया है, बट अगर ठीक लगी है तो एस डेफिनेट है यार। तो हालांकि मैं किसी एक इंडिविजुअल के पीछे अपना टाइम और आपका टाइम नहीं वेस्ट करना चाहता हूँ, बट डेफिनेटली यार अगले ने बोला आई बेट, तो यस यार डेफिनेट आई कैन स्पीक 1 hour, आई कैन स्पीक ऑन द एनी टॉपिक, आई कैन स्पीक। तुम्हें समझ में आए बेटा, ना समझ में आए, तुम्हें एक्सप्रेशन अच्छा लगे ना एक्सप्रेशन लगे, बट मेरे पास वोकैबुलरी है, मेरे पास कैपेसिटी है, मैं आई कैन एक्सप्लेन टू लोगों को। एक्चुअली मेरे व्यूअर्स को समझ में आ जाएगा, यस डेफिनेट आई नो मैं क्या बोलना चाहता हूँ, यस उनको समझ में आ जाएगा। बस इतना ही तो होना चाहिए यार, दैट इज द कॉमन लैंग्वेज यार। मैं क्या बोलना चाहता हूँ वो अगले को समझ में आनी चाहिए। और बेटे तेरे को अगर आती होगी ना तो तू भी समझ जाएगा तेरे बापू क्या बोल रहा है। चलिए, ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच, थैंक यू।